With the campaign period nearing its close, the administration backed senatorial slate under the Alyansa para sa Bagong Pilipinas coalition visited the vote-rich province of Quezon, home to approximately 1.5 million registered voters across 39 municipalities. PTV's Mela Las Moras has the report.
With only 10 days left before the 2025 midterm elections, the administration-backed Alyansa para sa Bagong Pilipinas is now shifting gears to its all-out campaign mode to gain more and more support from the Filipino people. Earlier today, the Alyansa senatorial candidates had its newest proclamation rally in one of the country's most vote-rich provinces, Quezon, headlined by President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. himself. During his speech, the chief executive emphasized that a brighter future awaits the country if the Alyansa candidates win in the elections. He highlighted the broad experience and significant contributions to the country of their senatorial bets, including Makati City Mayor Abby Binay, former DILG Secretary Benhur Abalos, Representative Erwin Tulfo, Senators Francis Tolentino, Bong Revilla, Pia Cayetano, and Lito Lapid, and former Senators Manny Pacquiao, Tito Soto, and Panfilo Lacson. Also part of the coalition is Representative Camille Villar, although she was unable to attend today. Earlier, she went to Dagupan, Pangasinan to join the Bangus Festival.
Ito po ang nagtutuloy ng mga tagumpay, ng mga magagandang inisyatibo para sa ating bansa upang pagandahin ang buhay ng bawat Pilipino, upang pagandahin ang ating minamahal na Pilipinas.
President Marcos also reported about the country's progress when it comes to our economy, agriculture, transportation, and other sectors. He said, we all need to have a new set of leaders who will continue what they have started to achieve a brighter future.
Nitong nakaraang taon, naitala natin ang pinakamababa na unemployment rate dito sa Pilipinas mula nung taon 2005. 20 taon na po. Hindi po natin naabot yung ganyang klaseng unemployment rate. Basta't nandyan po sila, maaasahan ninyo na ipagpapatuloy nila itong magandang performance na ating ginagawa.
Tomorrow, Saturday, the Alyansa senatorial bets will next visit the province of Batangas for their next campaign rally with the President. From PTV, Mela Las Moras, Balitang Pambansa.